Meaning of indigestible.
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 Indigestible. The word indigestible refers to something that is difficult or impossible to digest, either physically or metaphorically. When referring to food, it means that the substance cannot be broken down and absorbed by the digestive system, leading to discomfort or digestive issues. Metaphorically, it can refer to information or ideas that are difficult to understand or process, or to situations or circumstances that are difficult to deal with. In short, indigestible can be used to describe anything that is hard to digest, whether that be food, information, or life events.